Hey guys, so this is the look that I'm going to teach you how to do today. I hope you guys like it and keep watching. So we're going to take the Flower Child from Tartelette in Bloom palette and we're going to put it all over the lid. So now that we have Flower Child on as our transition color, we're going to take this orange color from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette and we're going to just blend it all over our crease. Which is, what the heck? What kind of color is that? What the heck? Those are two different colors. This is so not orange. So this is the weirdest thing ever. I put it on and it looks literally like a pink. So let's work with it anyways. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, we're going to take the burnt orange. We're going to put it on top of this color. Okay, so I put a little bit of that burnt orange on top. Just a tiny bit because I don't want to darken it too much. Okay, we're going to go with Relgar from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And we're going to go in lightly, blend that out. Really blend that out. So we're going to put Regal all over on top of all the colors that we put on top. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting 3 different colors that make one tone of color that I want. Blend very well. Okay, so now that we have that color on, so we put all those colors all around the crease and on top of it. So I'm going to take burnt orange from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid where you see it's kind of empty. I'm going to make it a little bit more orange and fill it out. Only on the lid, which is right here. And after that, we're going to go back in with the Huda Beauty orange color and reapply it to the top of the crease so it can brighten it back up a little because it is getting a little too dark. So now we're going to move on to the cut crease that we're going to do. From here, from the inner corner, we're going to start once you put the concealer on, you have to put the color that you want pretty fast. It's not too dry when you pat it on. So blend out the edges of where you cut crease, which is right there, and then all this. Okay, just so it's not a harsh line between the two colors, which is the light and the dark. Now that you've blended it, you can go move to the other eye. The blending takes a long time, by the way. You won't get it on the first 2 blends. You have to keep
blending and blending and blending.
And then reapply them.
Blend.
Again. Okay guys, so what I did now is I put concealer from here to there, from here to there, and I'm gonna put the yellow color. So now we're gonna put this color right on the edge. Just so it seems like it's just merging right there. I'm going to take a little bit of that burnt orange, just so right here doesn't look so pink. So I'm going to take 1987 from the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner right here, and it's like a really true gold. Got a good highlight right there. I'm gonna put mascara and then the highlight off camera, and then we are done. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, like, subscribe, keep watching other videos that I do. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. So I might be doing a Argentina makeup video. I'm doing these World Cup videos in honor of those teams that are in the World Cup, and I wanted to make it fun and colorful so you can do it as well when your team plays. So that's what I kind of wanted to do with those. So if you were wondering, there it is. Thanks, truck. Senora!
I don't know. I was so excited.
I'm watching Jess and Gabriel on YouTube. It's so good. If you don't know who they are, go and see them.